guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariyea for those of you guys who are new here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my second half of my Erin Condren haul from the new year. This past sale that they had, the 20% off. I had 2 more orders that I put in alongside of my big order. I just uploaded that video if you would like to see what I had in alongside of this stuff. I'll leave that up in the cards above and link down below if you guys want to check that out. So today I'm going to be unboxing the second half of that. So the first thing I ordered was this Mid-Century Circles sticker box. I've seen these in quite a few people's videos, and I seen it online and I just thought, let's try it out. I know I have the sticker books, but I figured for like sticker sheets that I have multiple of, I could put in here, or I can do anything with it really. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but you see here that they're holding the sticker sheets, some gift labels, and some pens. So yeah, I just thought it was really cute, and I felt like I could test it out, and if I really liked it, I could buy more. So yeah, I just bought one, and I love the Mid-Century Circles design. It's so pretty, and yeah. Moving on, I've been seeing in a lot of people's videos for their Petite folios, they've been like putting these on the front of their on-the-go folios, and I love that. So I bought one of each because I just couldn't decide, and I love them. They're super cute. Let's open one up so we can see. It's a bookmark, and it's metal. So this one's the silver one. And then I got the rose gold one that says create. And I guess we don't have to open them all up, but yeah. Got the create, and I got the plan, which this one's poking through there. But yeah, I love those, and I'm excited to put them on the front of my planner to just add more decoration because I love decorating my folios. Next, I just got another pack of the colorful monthly adhesive tabs. Nothing special there. I'll open it up and show you guys. I use these for my Petite planners. I just wanted to have a full set for the new year. I ripped the packaging, but this is how they come. So they stick them down, and then that was July. We'll open January. So it just comes with 2 of those 3M adhesive tabs, and you just stick them on there. So yeah, I got another pack of those. I feel like I'm always buying these. So I got that. Next, I bought the goal setting journal because I have a lot of goals that I'm looking to accomplish this year, and I just thought that this would work really nicely. Well, I'm hoping that it works really nicely. We'll open it up and take a look. I really love the look of this. It's super pretty. And I bought a Petite planner sleeve to go on it because, as you know, if you watched my old videos, I want one of these for every one of my journals. So yeah, this has like getting clear on your values, creating a space, a vision board, which this is really nice. I love making vision boards. I typically make them for my MacBook like screensaver right now on Canva, but I would love to just print things out and just make a really pretty vision board. Okay, so it's breaking down the goal, the action plan, and then the small steps towards your goal. Goal check-ins. Oh, they give you a lot of goal check-ins, which is perfect. Breaking down the goal, so your next goal, and it just repeats. And then we got pretty stickers. And next, I bought these Hexagon page markers. I really want to use these to mark the months in my journals, like, or even for the goal setting journal, like marking each specific goal so I can like flip to it easier. I can't really get it out right now, but like my budget journal and my wellness log, like I would like to mark the months, so I got these. And it says that there's 12 solid colors and 2 of each color, so that there's 24 of each of them, or there's 24 individuals. And I just thought that would be something fun, so I didn't have to like buy tabs or anything like that. So I'm going to try those out. I got PetitePlanner Pregnancy Journal Functional Sticker Pack. I'm not pregnant, and that's not what I bought these for. I just bought them purely just to use in my planners because I like the way they look. And there are 2 of the same sheet in there. I'm not going to open those because I mentioned this in my last video, but I want to do, one of the videos I'm planning on doing is organizing my sticker collection and just flipping through all my stickers. So if you're interested in that video, subscribe down below so that you don't miss it. Next, I got more of the colorful circles. I love these. I use them all the time in my planning, and I'm planning to use them on that page. Subscribe also if you want to see me set up my new life planner that I got. I unboxed this in my last video. So yeah, I got those. And then I got more of their sticker sheets. I got the Aries one because I'm an Aries. My birthday is in April. And I got these to use for that like layout and that plan. If you've seen my last video, I bought this sticker sheet before and I actually messed up and I made the background color the sapphire, and I really wanted the charcoal, so I ordered it again and corrected it this time, and I just love the way that looks, and I like this for like January, so I'm excited to use that. I got the colorful layers sticker sheet, and then the mid-century circles because, like I mentioned before, I love that. So yeah. Next, I got some more covers for my planner, and this one, I got this from a video I watched, and I don't remember what video it was. If I can remember, I'll link her down below, but she had this quote, "This is hard, this is normal, this will change." And she had it on one of Erin Condren's covers, but she just had a sticky note on there. And she had it underneath her main cover on her planner, and I thought that was like a brilliant idea. Just have like a quote page that after you open your planner, you just, you know, something that you live by. And she had this exact quote, and that just stuck with me because if you don't know, I'm a mom of 2, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and my life is hectic, and it's so hard to just remember to calm down and breathe and that it's normal and it's not permanent. So I'm really going to live by this quote. Like, a daily reminder of this would be perfect for me, and I just liked this planner cover, and I'm excited to put this in. So yeah, I got that. Next, I got this to go along with my sticker sheet. I just think it's a really pretty cover for like the winter months, and it matches with my sticker sheet. And I just got my personalization on there. I love personalizing these. It's so much fun, and it's a very bad addiction. Next, I got this for St. Patrick's Day. I really love when my planner reflects the holidays that occur. It's something that I've always loved, and I just love decorating my planner according to the seasons and the holidays. So I picked this up, and I just loved the gold foiling. So yeah, we got that. And that's all from this haul. But I have one more order. So that was that order. And now for my next order. Again, I think I purchased these like a day apart. So they came literally on the same day, which I love. And the whole main reason I placed this order was for the layers washi tape. Literally remembered that I needed it, and I couldn't find it on Amazon, so I purchased it here. So I got those. Next, I got the coil clip connectors. I thought this was a really cool idea, so that if there was anything I wanted to put in my planner that wasn't already coiled, I can just stick 1 or 2 of these on there and just pop it in my planner. There's a 12-pack, and yeah, not much to say about those. Next, I decided to make another cover, but have my word of the year on it. I love the idea of having a word that you like focus on throughout the year, and mine that I chose was patience, going along with my quote. It's really hard to, calm down and have patience with your children, so I really want to focus on that while my children are so young. So yeah, patience. And then I found this quote, and I loved it, and I felt like it really tied in well with the word. So it says, patience is when you're supposed to get mad, but you choose to understand. And I don't think it gets better than that. So yeah, I got that, and I love the way it looks. I really love neutral themes, so I believe I got the rosewood, and then the back is, what is the back? Back is linen, I believe. Okay, so moving on, the next 3 things go together, so I'll move this box out of the way. And these aren't going to make sense until I open this. I got another folio, and I am so excited for this folio, guys. I have wanted this specific folio for the longest, and I'm super excited to have it. It is the Starry Night. I don't believe that's what it's called. It might be, but I love the way this looks. It is so pretty, and I've never had a folio come wrapped up like this. But my plans, well, before I go into that, so I got the adhesive corner pockets to go in there, and then this little pen holder clip to clip on the side, because I just feel like it goes so perfectly with this. But yeah, my plan for this planner, because it doesn't go along with the theme of any of the actual books, I plan to use this as like my second folio for the goal setting journal, the wellness log, the Petite checklist, and I haven't bought one yet, but I wanted to get a gratitude journal to go along in here as well. And I want to use this kind of as my nighttime check-in folio to just write down, like go in there and log everything from the day, and then this will maybe just sit by my nightstand, by my bed, and just be that nighttime reflection. So I'm excited to add this into the loop and use this. And yeah, I will do a setup video on this as well if you're interested. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and if you haven't already, turn the notifications on so you never miss one of my videos. And stay tuned because I have a lot of content coming and planned. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.